Today's install is a 20-inch S8 Baja Designs light bar, hidden bumper light bar, I should say, on a 23 Tundra. Pretty simple install, although there is a QR code that comes with the actual light bar. It wasn't clear on the instructions. Makes you want to search through different PDFs. I didn't feel like doing that, so I kind of just looked online to see what I could find. Comes with these left and right brackets. You can't mix them up. They attach with the 17-inch crash bar bolts and the size 11 on the actual light bar. I'm not going to show how you remove the bumper. There's plenty of videos already on here on how to do that, so let's get to it. I did see a video from TRD John on YouTube. He moved these clips up just so they're not in the way of the actual light bar. He had a different one, not the S8, but I figure it's kind of the same deal. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna move all of these clips either down or up to see if I can clear this way here. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so I did find instructions online from Baja themselves on how to reroute these cables. They want you to take this off, and then it comes with these little like tabs here that you can put in there. I'm not gonna do all that. I just going to zip tie these. This little bracket comes off from this clip and this clip, so I'm gonna just push it up, put the bracket in so all of this is out of the way, and then just zip tie it, make it look a little cleaner, and hope that works. All right, so this is how I did it. I just moved the wires up a little bit, kind of threaded them through there, zip ties, made it look a little clean. They're nice and tight, so they're not going to be bouncing on anything, and we should be good to go to remount it. Have this whole space available for the light bar. And there it is. The grill's back on. Hidden light bars in there. Nice and centered. Nice and discreet. Stay tuned for the wire. We just ran it up here. I'm gonna hook up my Switch Pro and then everything will be good to go. Make sure to like and subscribe for more mods. 23 Tundra. And here's the final result. Bumper and grill's back on. It's gonna get bright. Oh, yeah, that's bright. 20-inch S8. Nice beam. Pretty simple install. It's just you gotta take all that off, which kind of sucks, but there it is. Let me show you what the amber backlight looks like. And here's what it looks like with just the backlights on. The amber color looks so good. It's gonna look even better when I put on the TRD Pro fender flares over here with that light. Yeah, it's gonna look bitchin'. Let me know what you guys think.